saw it over there all the
Extra
time.
bubble
Did you look all the...
I looked for candy aisle. I didn't find a candy aisle. I found the snack aisle.
Why is that? Why is that, Han? Why is that? Why you always like that? Why is
you
that?
wear that balls?
Seriously, Han?
Good morning, Philippines!
We're good.
How much is on your phone?
Huh?
How much?
Look at it.
84. Exactly the same.
Huh?
Exactly the same. 84 on yours, 84 on mine. See, my phone's in here connected to yours.
You have to look really close.
Yeah. Oh, do you not remember the time that we found it open?
It's open.
We had to send Andrew over here. Somebody in the neighborhood.
How do you know it's open? How do you know it's open? No, you don't know?
Yes. You don't remember way back when?
Umula na guys. Oh my God. Kanina pa ako dito, si Tami na grocery. And kanina pa ako dito. And kaloka kasi umulan. Umulan. And then wala akong yawe. So wala akong dinalang yawe. And I put the window down and I turned the car off. So ngayon, hintay ako na hintay. Sabi ko magmadali ka kasi parang uulan na ata. Sus, matagal man guys. Kasi nabasa na yung nabasa na yung sa gilid-gilid sa So tumakbo ako, sabi ko pabayaan ko tong sasakyan, open bahala. So tumakbo ako sa grocery, buti na lang malapit lang dito. Tumakbo ako, kinuha ko yung yawin niya kasi kaloka. Ay, naku si Tami, basta si Tami mag-grocery talaga nakakaloka. Ang tagal-tagal, grabe. Makati dito. Dito naging okay na yung dito. Ang dito na lang Makati. Gumagrabe ata dito. So yun. Hindi ko na lang yan itatouch. Magluluto pa ako guys. It's 5:30 already. Itong forever.
What I do? They all got one line open.
No, it's you. We're shopping. Okay, put your seatbelt.
Well, it took forever for them to cut the cold cuts. Because I figured I could just pick them up from the grab and go section, but of course they didn't have them. So I had to have them cut them.
Ay, nako, you guys do hurry up.
I got cold cuts. I got ammonia. They had no bubble gum.
Of course they have bubble gum.
No, hon, they only had it at the counter. The little
I saw it over there all the
extra
time.
bubble gum.
Did you look all the...
I looked for a candy aisle. I didn't find a candy aisle. I found the snack aisle, chips and crap like that, but no gum and candy. Unless I just missed it. But I went looking back. I went back across the whole store, looking at everything to see where candy was. I got the salad. They had a salad of 2 or 4, so I got 4 bags of salad.
What the heck? How about the salad that you just buy, Tommy?
I had 2 heads left. I took 2 heads on Wednesday and made a salad with 2 heads. And I got the other 2 heads left. And let's see. I got
ito yung sabi ko guys. Hindi yun yung nasa plano namin. Pero kapag siya na talaga, masisira lang naman ito ba? Tignan nyo. Hey, you have to eat that chicken, buffalo wings, whatever you have, you bring it to your Rochelle. Why is that? Why is that, Han? Why is that? Why you always like that? Why is that?
you wear that balls? Honestly?
I said, what's my camera? He just do like and you don't even finish the chicken. The barbecue. When I was there, I looked.
What do you think I put in the salad yesterday? The three little pieces of chicken I had left? In the salad. Listen, guys. Now you're Filipino. You scoop it every day. Every day.
This one is stupid.
Well, you scoop it all the time.
It's not you. This one, it's like dripping. Whatever.
What?
Be careful, please. I'm not joking, Han. Ma-high blood man ako nitong tawhana. Ay, grabe. Kasi mahilig yan mag-fire. And then natatakot ako kasi ano, yung roof. Masunog ba? May ano dito. Si Tami kay... matakot ako kay Tami guys. Kasi parang careless. Careless si Tami ba? Lalo na kapag ang pag-usapan apoy. Careless talaga yan. Gusto niya yung apoy. Masunog itong bahay, mas gusto niya. Kasi gusto niya yung apoy. Guys, natawa ako sa nakita ko. Iba yung naisip ko. Natawa ako sa nakita ko sa garlic. Garlic yun, guys.
Poison ivy, girl. Poison ivy.
Don't touch my thing, because it's gonna be...
It's everywhere now.
I have it in my butt now, so...
I told you not to do that thing with the plant.
Ito na siya, guys. Lutong-luto. Pinahinaan ko lang siya para mag-absorb talaga yung lasa niya sa chicken. 2, and then nagluluto tayo ng Brussels sprout. Pabukalan lang natin siya, guys, and ito siya. May salmon palang binili si Tami, guys. Kalukat tong si Tami, ang daming binili. Salmon, sausage. Kapag andito si Tami, guys, no, wala tayong ano, guys, wala tayong power. Kasi siya talaga yung may power. Lalo kapag pumunta yan sa ano, tignan nyo, puno. Oh, puno. Cold cuts, whatever, turkey, yun, puno. Dito, meron pa dito, ilagay sa refrigerator. Ito yung sabi niya. Dalhin niya to kasi ayaw ko na. Ang daming pagkain, guys. Itong si Aloy, ginuo ko. Naluka ako. Paano ko to kainin? Ano tayo? Magmukbang na lang tayo dito. Ito pa, burger. Lutuin pa. Ito pa. Ay, nako. And pork. Ilagay ko to sa freezer. Ito sa refrigerator. Luto na, guys. Yan siya, guys. Tignan natin yung anong ginagawa ni Tami. Nagluluto pa siya. Hindi pa siya tapos.
You're lying in dog country, the blues.
Natapos lang namin kumain, guys. Ito yung kinain namin. Mukbang. Sa mukbang yan siya. And ngayon, magkakat ako. Kasi gagawa na naman ako para kay Tami macaroni salad. So, 1 bag lang naman. So, mag-boil tayo ng egg. Naghugas na si Tami ng mga pinggan dyan. Sabi ko siya yung maghugas, maghipos. Anuhin niya lahat kasi ako, magluluto ako para sa pagkain niya sa weekend. What?
I'm not counting on it.
What?
In case she decides to eat.
Oh. She won't eat. Magkakat lang tayo, guys. What are you looking at here? Dada told you to eat your food, that Dada will give you some turkey. But you don't listen. You don't eat your din-din, that Dada can give you something. You know, Dada told you to eat your din-din, that Dada will give you some burger. You would love the burger. You have to eat your din-din first. You go eat your din-din first and Dada will give you some nice burger. What? Right, Dada?
Yep. But you gotta eat.
You have to eat first, Rox. You go eat your din-din. Go eat your din-din. Look, she do like this one. Time to cut the egg, guys. Tapos na ako nito. And then, egg na lang ikakat ko. Ngayon, yung pasta nag-boil na dyan. Magluto tayo ng ano, guys, ng salmon right there. Lutuin natin yan. Yung dalawa sa labas. My baby's lying down niya. Tulog, my baby, tulog. Anyway, so yeah. Alas 8:12 na, guys. Tulog yung asawa ko. Nahagok na. Init pa siya, guys. Sabi pa nila, wag mong i-wash yung pasta. Si Tami i-wash niya, ako hindi. So, yun. Ano lang natin parang cool down lang konti. para manuhot-suhot yung lasa niya. Toyo, konting, walang toyo. Calamansi, Maggi Sabor, and slime, pepper, and oil. Yan lang guys. Ganito siya para pumunta yung sauce sa loob. Yan.
I'm sure something's wrong. Did you put vinegar in it?
Yeah. Oh no, I didn't put vinegar. Oh, you put vinegar? I forgot. You're
A little
good.
bit, not a whole lot.
Okay, you do it. You're good because you know what I didn't put. Ano yung life ko ngayon lately ba? Nakakapagid. Ang daming ginagawa. Si Tammy din andun. Ay naku, lagi ba? Itong si Tammy. Andun siya sa bedroom. Mas malamig sa bedroom kaysa kaysa living room. Hi. Look at this too. They're curious. Where's Dada? The fan is on, guys. Seriously, Han? Tilyutli. Tilyutli, Lokti. Tilyutli. Kalalaba ko lang yung bedsheet. Nadumihan na naman ni Roxy. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay. Yan yung salmon. Para yan bukas. Dalhan natin si Bianan bukas. Let's see. Ha? No. 10 o'clock na guys. Wala akong brie. 10 o'clock na. I-transfer ko lang to. Look at who's running, Han. Ayay, natsira. Sira eh. Okay, yan. Nasira tuloy. Nasira yung beauty ng ano. Yung sauce. Nagbalik ako guys kasi look, pinalagyan ko ni Tammy ng ano yung poison ivy ko. Tomorrow morning. Pinanito ko siya kasi para hindi siya mag-transfer sa bed and mag-transfer sa ibang part ng katawan ko kasi oil kasi, diba? But anyway, again, good night.